So we were actually building a slide, bro. Not just any slide, the bed slide. Yeah, this is all. And I'm gonna do this now. And then a $1 slide. Yeah, this. Okay, let's. You know, if I hit 3,000, this is gonna be for you guys. This is just for 3,000. I said if we got 3,000 subs, I will do this. Oh. Okay, you see it now? Yeah. As I promised. Please subscribe. Go subscribe. I need to get 3,000 or 4,000. If I got 4,000, I'm gonna do this. Yeah. So because I hit 2,000 subs, I am gonna be sliding. Yeah. Actually. Cut that. Kung pandinig kung gudin.
Ano yan?
Maglagay ako ganyan.
Lagay mo na. Baka magong ka naman. Ano na naman yan, ha?
Ayan.
Ano yan? Ano yan, ha?
Kaya gano'n. Okay.
Hindi pa naman natin suot. Hindi pa ano suot. Sayang eh. Suot. Huwag mong durugin. Suot. Sasaya ka eh. Mahal-mahal yan eh. Sige, lagay mo dyan. Dalawa pa. Suot mo. Ilimit eh. Tubig.
At buti na off ko ng video ko.
Bakit?
Eh, nag-burlis kuya.
Lagay mo.
Okay guys, let's continue to slide and let's celebrate 2,000 subscribers. This is a video. Let's celebrate 2,000 subscribers by building a slide.
Ay.
First up, we need a bed. Ouch. And then go. Wait! Diyan ka lang! No! No! No, you ruined the slide! Kaya! You are ruining the slide, young man. This is the slide. This is yeah. Don't think about it. Kuya, don't think about it. Gumbat. Crocodile yo. Ayun. How are you doing? What I'm thinking, killing it is slappy thing. Don't think about it. Kuya, alisin mo pa. This is so much fun. Alis. Tap mo na ko yun. In case it's fun. Do they say it now? Now let's celebrate 2,000 subscribers. Now I'm gonna open some origamis. I'm gonna open, and now I'm gonna show you the opening, the Pokemon cards, and hopefully we find the Charizard. First up, the first pack. Or maybe a Pikachu. Pikachu. I'll take Pikachu's all day. Or also Charizard. Charizard. I got a Pikachu! Oh! We got also a Charizard! Oh my god. Thailand. For a second, I thought this was a Charizard. But we got just random ones. And that's not even my favorite. Wait. That's not even my favorite. Let's find this rare. I think there's a rare here. God. Take him every day. He's my favorite character. Bro, he's my favorite character, bro. His name is Gardevoir. That Gardevoir is my favorite character. I've seen him for many videos. Bro, why is this? Why is this rare? I know there's a rare here. Oh, wait. Maybe that's the We don't got a rare. Dang it! I just wasted my money. But I I forgot to unmute. This? Like I said, but I just muted! Dang it! I just muted. But, let's slide. But I wanna see you my reaction if I saw that. No, not this. Okay. I want to see the reaction. Okay. But if I got a double, I said, I take Gardevoir all day. But if I got a double, Haku! And I found the double. And then I said, Haku! And when I find this, I'm gonna show you the reaction. Pikachu, Charizard. Oh my god. We got the rare. That's my reaction, guys. And then I just scroll down with this. And then I found another rare. Like, and then I found another there. And then I go to Bunty. And then when I found Gardevoir, I just like this. Period! And I also find it at the other part. But like, I don't need doubles! It's like the Brand TV. I like Brand TV. Oh my god, so sick. It's only 15 minutes. So this is 14 minutes. I know, guys. Gonna bye-bye. And bye-bye. I see you in the next video.